In today's video, I'm going to take you all to see one of the most famous beaches in Cambodia. Sihanoukville or Kampong Sam is a popular destination if you are looking to spend your day at the beach and enjoy all the seafood. It's been about 5 years since I last came here, and the city has become so much different than before. It used to take 4 to 5 hours to travel from Phnom Penh to Sihanoukville, but with the newly constructed freeway, it only takes about 2 hours to get here, and I would say it's much more safe to travel here now. It used to be just one small road with one lane each way, and there were a lot of turns, which kind of slows down the drive as well. To travel on this newly built freeway though, you are required to pay some fees, which cost about $12 each way. And I don't think it's that bad at all because, you save a lot of time traveling here. We finally made it here, and I can see a lot of changes in the cities with a lot more tall buildings and Chinese business owners. We just stopped by at a local market to get some seafood, and we will stop to get some rest and have lunch at Odres Beach. We are also gonna spend one night here at Sokha Hotel and Resort. This is a really nice resort hotel where you can enjoy having a private beach and a nice and big swimming pool. It's the perfect place to be at if you are thinking of a mini vacation where you can have that resort type of feel and with the option of hopping on the beach as well. To stay here, it costs about $100+ a night depending on which season you are visiting. During the low tourist season, you can sometimes find some deals. The convenience of staying here is that the rooms are really close to the beach and the pool, and that makes it easy to change after being in the water.
Just add it in một tầm trạng.
After enjoying our time at the beach and the pool, we are on the way to a restaurant called New Beach for our dinner. It's pretty hard to find an authentic Cambodian food restaurant in the main part of the city, since almost all of them are Chinese restaurants now. We have been coming to this New Beach for a long time and we're just glad that they are still here. This is where you can try out many kinds of authentic Cambodian food while enjoying the sea-salted breeze along the shoreline of the beach. If you spend the night at the Sokha Hotel, you will also get a complimentary breakfast with many food choices including Cambodian and Western styles.
I want French fries.
Này này cái tiêu nó.
So this is one of the most popular Cambodian breakfast dishes. It's rice noodles served with almost like fish curry broth that was made using crushed lemongrass, turmeric root, and many other wild herbs. It's normally also served with some vegetables such as cucumber, banana blossom, and other edible flowers. If you are looking to try something authentic for Cambodian food, I would suggest you give this a try because it's really good. And then they also have numpang pate. It's a kind of sandwich filled with pate. We call it pate in Khmer. Also filled with marinated pork paste, butter, and some vegetables like cucumber and fermented carrot and papaya. I would say it's the Cambodian version of the Vietnamese bánh mì. It's also a type of Cambodian street food and people like to eat them for breakfast and sometimes as an afternoon snack. So I went ahead and tried a lot of different things, and a lot of their food is actually really good and freshly made. We also really enjoy having the passion fruit served with the chili mixed salt. It was really sour but very refreshing at the same time. We ended up spending about 2 hours here just trying almost everything. Besides the beach, pool, and free breakfast, there are also a lot of other services such as kids room, gym, spa, and massage service as well. To the other side of the hotel, there are a lot of mini villas for those with big families and want a more private space together. We had a really good time here and now it's time to go back home. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.